how to make flooded ending. Like I literally got low battery here. Oh, we need some chargers to wait. The heck? Do I ever look? Okay, let's jump on it. Let's see what happened. The tree looks kind of different. Like the heck? Turn on this bath water. And then set it to set it outside. And then now it's ready, you guys saw it. It started to get flooded. So since we wait 1 minute and then that's done. Since why you wait, you started to get died. Like you're stuck in here. Like you're not trying to escape here. Just leave the game. Something. Like we don't know the answer. How? Let me out. 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 Flood ending. There you go.